Every year, millions of animal bones are transformed into valuable cosmetic ingredients used in luxury skincare products. The journey begins as carefully inspected raw bones arrive at specialized processing facilities. Each batch undergoes strict quality checks to ensure safety and purity before processing begins. The bones are thoroughly washed using high-pressure purification systems. Next, high-temperature sterilization eliminates bacteria and contaminants. Powerful crushers break the bones into fine fragments for extraction. These fragments are ground into ultra-fine powder to prepare for mineral extraction. Advanced extraction systems isolate valuable collagen and mineral compounds. Multiple filtration stages refine the extracted materials to cosmetic-grade purity. Every extracted batch is scientifically tested to meet global safety standards.
The purified collagen is further refined for premium skincare production.
Advanced mixers combine the ingredients into high-performance cosmetic formulas. This process creates the smooth texture used in luxury creams. Automated quality systems ensure consistency across every batch. Once approved, the cream is filled into elegant cosmetic packaging. Luxury packaging is carefully prepared to meet global retail standards. Each product receives branded labeling for international markets. Before shipment, every product undergoes a final inspection. Finished goods are stored in climate-controlled distribution warehouses. From here, products are prepared for worldwide shipping. Distribution centers prepare the products for retailers. Global shipping channels deliver them to international markets. Soon, these carefully engineered products appear in luxury beauty stores. From raw bones to refined beauty, a remarkable journey of science, engineering, and innovation.